Hari Om students, today we are going to talk about the conversion of fractional binary to decimal and also representing characters in memory. First one is conversion of fractional binary to decimal. What are the steps are to be followed in this method? In the sum we have two parts. One is integer part, another one is fractional part. In integer part, we should apply the normal positional notation method. In integer part, we write the positional notation from right to left, that is 0, 1, 2 and so on. But in fractional part, we write the power value from left to right, that is before -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Okay. First step is convert the integral part to decimal part, that is binary value is converted into decimal value using positional notation method. The second step is fractional part of binary is converted into equivalent decimal. First you write down the binary digits of fractional part and then starts from left to right, put the power of notation starts from -1, -2, -3 and so on, and then multiply the values, then add all the values and then write the integral part and then followed by decimal point and then write the fractional part values. Okay, for example, for 2 power -1, 2 power -2, the table is follows. Here 2 power minus equal to 0.5, 2 power -2 equal to 0.25. How to find these values? For example, here 2 power -5 equal to power value is 5, so 5 times write the multiply by 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So here answer is 32. இப்போ 2 power -5 அப்படிங்கிறனால இங்கே எப்படி எழுதியிருக்கோம் 1/32 அப்படின்னு ரைட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Then you divide this value like this. If you have any doubt in this method, you ask me. Okay. Next example for fractional binary into decimal. This is the given number. First you take the integral part, that is 101, and then you find the usual positional notation method. You put the 0, 1, 2 and then this is the binary value, show here multiply into 2. 1 into 2 power 0 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 2. Okay, and then 1 in anything power 0, 1, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 2 power 1, 2 plus 1 into 2 power 2, 2 into 2, 4. Then 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 into 2, 2, 0 plus 1 into 4, 4. So 1 plus 0 plus 4 answer is 5. So 101 oda integral part oda value another 5 base 10. So it is a decimal number. And then fractional part. Which one is fractional part? 110 is the fractional part. So we take the 110. Here we start from nasona already left to right. Appo left side -1 and then -2 and then -3. So 1 into 2 power -1, 1 plus 1 into 2 power -2, 0 into 2 power -3. Then 2 power -1 oda value is 0.5. So 1 into 0.5 plus 2 power -2 oda value 0.25 and then எந்த வேல்யூவை 0 ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் 0. ஸோ here put the value 0. 1 into 0.5, 0.5 plus 1 into 0.25, 0.25. So and then add these two numbers. The value is 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 0. So the answer is 0.75. Okay, and then write the answer. This is the given value and then already we find the decimal part of 1015, 5.75 base value is 10. Okay, this is the result of the sum. So we check the value is correct or not. Okay, what method you know? This is the decimal value. this is converted into binary. Okay, 5, to find the L division method, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1, 1 2 is 2, remainder is 0, so our value is 1 0 1. Here 1 0 1, equivalent binary value is 1 0 1. Okay, and then 0.75 already நம்ம பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, எப்படி டெசிமல் ஃப்ராக்ஷனல் டெசிமல் வேல்யூவை எப்படி வந்து பைனரியாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுறதுன்னு அதே சேம் மெத்தட் நம்மளுக்கு கிடச்சிருக்க இங்கே ஃப்ராக்ஷன் பார்ட் இஸ் வாட் 0.75. ஸோ 0.75 into 2 equal to 1.50. Here integer part is 1, so here write the 1, and then here fractional part is 0.50. 0.50 into 2 1.00. The integer part is 1, fraction part is 0, anything is multiply into 0, answer is 0, so here put the 0, the answer is 110. Okay, one more example of this method, 11.010 is a sum. Okay, first we take the integral part 11, that is the same power of notation method, 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0, 1 into 2 2, 1 into 1 1, so the value is 3. And then decimal fractional part is 0 1 0. It starts from minus 1 here, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. Okay, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So 0 into 2 power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 power minus 2 plus 0 into 2 power minus 3. 0 ஓட எந்த நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் ஆன்சர் இஸ் 0. ஸோ ஹியர் புட் த 0, and then 1 into 2 power minus 2 value is 0.25 plus 0 into 2 power minus 3 is 0. So 0 plus 0.25 plus 0, answer is 0.25. So already integral part of the value is 3. We write integral part 3 point and then fraction part 25. Okay, this is the one. Whether we check the same procedure to check the result is correct or not. Okay. The next concept is representing characters in memory. Before going to this concept, what do you mean by character set? Character set consists of 26 uppercase letters, that is capital ABCD, 26 lowercase letters, that is small letters, and then 0 to 9 digits, and also consists of special characters. These character sets are denoted through only numbers, and also it need a common encoding system. There are various encoding systems are there. What are they? BCD, that is binary coded decimal, EBCDIC, that is extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Another one is ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The next one is Unicode. Another one is ISCII, Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange. What are the difference between these Unicode systems? Or some encoding schemes consider the only 126 characters, some of them consider the 256 characters, some language or supports or not. These are all the differences between these code, that is encoding systems. First one is binary coded decimal. It consists of only 2 power 6 bit encoding system, that is 64 characters only. Okay, next encoding system is ASCII. This is most popular encoding system which is recognized by US. It consists of 2 power 7 bit of characters, that is 128 characters are supported. In the first edition it support only 128 characters, and then next edition it supports 256 characters. The range is 0 to 255. So the n bits are 2 power 8 bits. Okay, next one is extended binary coded decimal interchange code, which is also consists of 8-bit binary representation. It was formulated by IBM, that is International Business Machine, and also it is also supports the 256 characters. Another one is ISCII, that is Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is also a 8-bit memory code, that is 256 characters, 2 power 8 bit, and also it supports the Indian local languages, which is formulated by Department of Electronics in India, in which year? 1986. This coding was recognized by BIS, that is Bureau of Indian Standards. Next one is Unicode. This encoding scheme is most popular than the ASCII. In modern computers we use this encoding scheme. In ASCII supports only English and European languages, but Unicode supports Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu and etc. And also its memory bit is 60-bit code, and also it handles the 65,536 characters. Okay, it denoted by hexadecimal numbers.